An overview for Park McKinley West, the lowest price per square meter here in Fort Bonifacio. This project is strategically located in McKinley West, a 34.5 hectare township by Mega World. Here, you will be accessible to BGC, malls, St. Luke's, international schools, embassies, central business districts like Makati, Ortigas, and Pasig, 20 to 30 minutes away from NAIA, which makes this perfect for Airbnb as well as your new midway home here in Manila. This is the facade for Park McKinley West, a 25-story building with sky garden on the 15th floor, amenities on the 2nd floor, and your own bi-level mall on the ground floor. Guys, we're still offering 1 bedroom, 35 square meters, and 2 bedroom, 106 to 110 square meters for sale. We offer big discounts for cash payments, and we also offer no down payments here, guys. Our showroom is near Venice Mall and is available for viewing every day, rain or shine. Send me a message for more details. This is Del from Mega World at the Fort.